Alright, been getting a lot of questions about our 2012 Toyota Sequoia. Figured I'd do a little walk around for you folks. This is a limited, again 2012 Toyota Sequoia. Wheels in excellent condition, tires, body lines, excellent condition on this vehicle. Garage kept. We actually sold it to the previous owner, and then they just traded it in. So again, wheels, tires. Cosmetically, here's our biggest thing, is our bumper cover. We've got some scratches there. Right on the tailgate, we've got some scratches. It does have a tow package, sensors in the back, body lines again. Running boards, tires, wheels. We are clean inside. We're not rusting on this guy. Front bumper, got a few blemishes there, bugs, road rash type stuff there. So that is the exterior. Got the roof rack, got the sunroof. Let's get you inside. Let's fire it up first, then let's get you inside. Go, firing up. 93,792 miles. Bear with me. One-handed. There we go. Again, we've serviced it the last 5 or so years. Got a fresh inspection, got an oil sticker, just did an oil change on it, so it is all ready to go. Show you what we got inside. Alright, so we got power windows, we got the upgraded JBL system, sound system, power seats, power hatch, steering wheel audio control, Bluetooth, got our towing, auto lock, volume down, but we've got GPS. We've got heated seats, USB, auxiliary, dual zone climate control there. Nice leather seats. This might be the only other blemish, a little bit of wear on the seats. No cracking or ripping. Just a little bit of wear. Back seats, excellent condition. Barely look like they were sat in. This does have a DVD system in it. Got rear climate control. Headphone jacks for the back, power sunroof, like I said. Rear seats, they are down right now, but we do have third row seating. And let me get you to the back. So here we are. We've got some all-weather mats for you there if you like. Power seats in the back. 70-30 split for the back, so you can still have two sitting back here. And then, of course, we can do that one as well, but I'm not going to. Well, might as well. We're here. There it goes. So we've got 8 passengers possible. All kinds of configurations you can do there. But that is our back, and then when the seats are down, obviously you've got good storage capabilities. Do have some extra storage there. Here's our rear hatch. So there you go with that. Back row. Front passenger seat, also power seat. So our sound system. Got those guys in. So there we go. Glove box. Got your remote control in there. We've got our books in there. And then you got a second compartment right there. So that's it. 2012 Toyota Sequoia Limited. If you have any questions, give us a call. Sauder Motors. Thank you very much. Have a great day.